Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a fatal error in WordPress. First of all, you want to go ahead to your file manager on your cPanel, or for example for me, it's on my dream host, so it's right there and I want to click on manage. It will look something similar. Now you want to go ahead to public HTML and click on your website and on WP content, and here you will find plugins. What you want to do is click on the right click of your mouse and click rename. And now let's write down disabled, click OK. And now you want to go ahead and try to log into your website. And basically this is your plugins. They will be uninstalled. Now, what you want to do is go back here and again rename it back to the old plugins, just like so. Again, let's refresh it now. And once you are able to log in, and now you will see all of your plugins here. Now they will all be deactivated. So what you want to do is activate them one by one. And when you activate one plugin, you then go ahead and refresh your website. If it doesn't cause any problems, then this is not the plugin. But if you activate one plugin and it causes the problem, then it's the one. And what you want to do is go ahead and delete that plugin and maybe try to add a new plugin and install it back again. If not, just try to find a new alternative. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.